ready to buy crypto faster and more securely than ever before. First, let's ensure your card is added to Apple Pay. Open your wallet app and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Follow the on-screen prompts to add your debit or credit card. You'll typically scan your card, then enter the security code and agree to the terms and conditions. Your bank will then verify your card. This might involve a text message or a call to confirm your identity. Now, open the Crypto.com app and navigate to the Buy section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to buy. At the payment options screen, you'll see Apple Pay selected as your preferred payment method. Apple Pay will prompt you for authentication via Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming. Once authenticated, your transaction is processed instantly. You'll receive a confirmation message within the Crypto.com app. Using Apple Pay offers enhanced security through tokenization, meaning your card details aren't shared with Crypto.com. Plus, it speeds up the entire buying process. Keep in mind that there might be daily or weekly transaction limits and potentially some fees associated with using your card. Check Crypto.com's terms for specifics. And if you have questions, their support team is always available. To view your purchase history, go to the Transactions section of the Crypto.com app. You'll see all your Apple Pay crypto purchases listed there. That's it. You've successfully linked your Apple Pay to Crypto.com. Enjoy the speed and security of Apple Pay for all your crypto investments.